Hello guys, it's your girl Promise World. I don't come again. Now good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever they watch me from. If you never subscribe to this channel, I beg you to subscribe, on a notification bell. Anything when I upload nowadays, now be the first people first see. If you just they pass by and see jam my channel, I try to subscribe. Thank you. So I can't talk many things today. Many things they want I can't talk. Many things they want the one never talk since last 2 weeks. So I want to combine it together. Now I talk and today. This man that tire me. I don't know what is the worry some girls say. I don't know what is the worry them. They want do surprise for Simi, musician. And they want do surprise. Lady received a hard slap for trying to ruin singer birthday surprise. So now he collects, now he friend, the slap enter. Person won't do surprise for person. You won't let the person know the surprise. And if me I never talk and finish, more na watch the video, more na hear the whole slap.
People! Surprise! Oh my God, guys! Why you slap me now? Oh my God!
When I see the video,
so much.
I don't see wait for the when the girl for give her. How you person want surprise person? You can comment, can they sing the happy birthday for you? They will not be surprised again now. You don't run the girl was on slap. She even see come back, can remove cap for. What I don't like for them, the way all of the daughter ignorant. They just ignore the girl and even remove the one we give and slap cap for head. You know even see men. That one just the control they do what they do. Cannot say later they go get down for the fighting. Enough quarrel. Cause no fit just they do like oversabi. And I know like oversabi now. I don't know oversabi. No run person, but what they don't prepare finish, what they don't do down finish. You won't come run now. That one are surprised again. Don't be surprised now. So correct when you give and that slap. Next time, don't go see do am again. And next time, you babe, not do am again. Don't spoil person surprise package. So you know resist slap of public again. Okay? Stay safe, eh? So what I see I can't get for this talk for this manner. So if you not get any opinion, I'm gonna leave it for the comment section. Nigeria, I don't know which kind of country be this one. I don't know. This one I see travelers, so travelers for that matter. For airport again, all this matter about the happen so. For this COVID-19, singer Two-Face called out NCDC for allegedly frustrating passengers because of 50,000. No, they won't collect for citizens and then they frustrate people who won't travel for plane on their own. So Nigeria airport too. You because they won't collect 50,000 for citizens, Nigeria citizens head. 50,000, now they frustrate them for plane when they still pay for again. That make I try to feel come out, you can't call out them, can't still talk for the matter because this thing is just they frustrating. I don't know what they worry them. All these Nigeria people. I don't know what they worry Nigeria government. All of them, though they do biri. They don't want, they don't even they concentrate on what they do. Hospital we not get, nothing we get. Even airport, you see go, so they smell like peace. Eh? Someone I watch you, the one I hear where Two-Face Idibia for the talk.
NDDC or whatever portal or government travel portal. You people better wake up. You are causing serious hardship for people traveling. Yeah? You go to the airport, they say bring one code, pay one this thing. What kind of wickedness is all this one? Office where people they travel. Every second you go close, they call phone, you know nobody they answer. What kind of evil bullshit is this? Just imagine Nigerians stranded at the airport because of some useless. God. Carry on. This is unacceptable. It's annoying. It's totally annoying.
Because of 50,000 naira, you want to exalt from Nigeria.
It's annoying. It's annoying.
You are shameless.
Wicked.
People are shameless.
What do they even do with the money?
This is wrong, very wrong. We want to come home. You cannot let us come to our home. It's ridiculous. What's the meaning of this? Stranded in another country.
Very
very bad country. for the whole of those people.
It's a sad situation.
Saying they are governors and they are ministers, they are everything. Eh?
So when I see the video, so until I see one that day, the people they start playing, they find themselves. Heat won't finish them. Heat won't finish them. They find themselves. Can you imagine? For you start playing, no. All those people when you see them enter this Nigeria plane, the kudos I give them more. Even when they enter Nigeria plane, I really give them kudos. They are really trying, They are trying. So now we just make a count for this before Nigeria will keep people. Case it is if you don't know, say Nigeria country. Zoom that more unadi cannot they call them. Because that is that you be like Zoom. You enter that Nigeria airport and I say the wolves. Zoo. What do you make a count for this matter today? Now get your opinion about this zoo airport. I'm gonna leave them for the comment section. This matter, so one of Bobrisky colleague, they beat the hell out of that boy because he go the whether na shoot na movie they shoot on a wetin they do I don't know. You can't dress like woman, put this thing for nyash, do this one. A man, you can't do waka for streets. Now, warrior boys cash and they beat no se come on for here. Nigeria, they frustrate, they come, they dress like woman, they shake nyash, they give her the beating of 11. They finish the boy, not be small. They beat her out of, they tear a cloth, they remove the phone we put for chest and the one we put for nyash. They remove one. They really beat her. Next time, you no go try am again. So, those of you that watch the video, when I watch the video.
I don't know what I did to deserve what they did to me yesterday. I don't know what I did. I was really dressed and I was shooting as usual. And this hoodlums passed on me. I don't know what I did.
So now don't see the video, Abi. Then I see what they at the time beat the boy. Bobrisky junior colleague received the beating of his life for area boys while filming a scheme in Lagos. Now Lagos they were beaten, so they finished the boy. I pity for her. Next time, no go film for area boys when they hungry, when body one for street. Those of now what that's in my show now today because the matter, the thing pay me shall they beat time because they're not supposed to beat time. Because not be this boy, not be the problem of Nigeria. Don't be let the boy when they won't beat. Now, when they doing your things, then they can go beat. So anyone that think for this matter, I'm gonna leave them for the comment section. So we'll enter another news. Then there be one die. Back right down. They won't collect 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira for naira single naira Mali. Now it throw we won't run over. Man, I know if you talk this matter, I'm gonna look the video.
Reverse his leg! Reverse!
See, I shock una. It shock una. Imagine, because of 1,000 they won't collect. Why even the naira man? Why you not stop? Why not stop share the money, give them when they move the share money for to we back the room for this is an express. I bet naira Mali next time if you want share money, stop. If you want really give people money, no the one you want keep people further. Keep people further when they also they go, won't kill them. Next time, if you want share money, give people. Stop your mottos. Tell them make they stop their bike or their machine or anything. Stop. Share the thing when you want share, give them. So this one, because of 1,000 naira now, you won't keep person. Then go say the truck now, you see use the hair, you can't see him take break. Then the man can't jump, come up for the on top of bike. What is the family for to say my papa go work or my husband go work? They don't see the there because they won't collect 1,000 naira from the Ramal had. Eh? I bet when they kill when I went there, you know say the frustration and the suffering for too much. Everything they hear every day. Mona someone that they look wetin na they do. Mona think wetin na they do. If the Ramal, I bet if you want share money, next time they stop the share money give people. Not they let the day on top of bed. You will they move. They will they move because they won't collect 1,000. 1,000. Not even 1 million now. Yeah, not even 100,000. 1,000 naira. Now you won't lose the life put so. Even the big keke when you carry na be na bicycle or be na machine. He scatter. Yeah, and not be you know they will follow person no. Now 1,000 I want to pay for that thing now. Now when they say my God, this is they annoy me. If na get money, more na they try to stop share. If you come for a man to give people money, more na they give them money in peace, not be in pieces. Even the one na the man never see collect am. Now when the motor won't jam, and I can't say won't stop. Next time they store the share money. If you don't see no one share money, they say no, me they go where they go. So now when I say my account for this man, I got this thing they touch you well. Cause I don't know what this man, my wife or children when you think. I know say Nigeria they be born well. You 5 children, you 4 children when you don't born now. I won't call they trade them for them. So if you not get any opinion for this matter, I'm gonna leave them for the comment section. So I'm gonna go to the other news. I just reason this matter, yes, I see and it really still makes sense. Now, Bishop Netoka, that Okun, our Nigeria ato, Okun, now you can't touch the matter. So he say Nigeria is the only country in the world that imports what they have and export what they don't, and export what they do not have. And not true. What did they get? They were the important. When you don't get the exporter. I don't understand. I don't understand that country. These countries, I know that they don't live for 3 minutes, we couldn't miss safe. That country so. What did they not get? They were the exporter. Imagine they go do oil for Nigeria, they will kind of go abroad. See, go. Oh la la, this country. That country. Governor will never hear where for the talker. And when I don't watch and finish, when I leave in a comment for the comment section, when I watch the video, when I hear for the talker. Because Nigeria they frustrate people. When I watch the video.
Nigeria is the only country that I know of. I don't know of any other country, but Nigeria is the only country that I know of that import the thing that they have in abundance and then export the one that they do not have. For instance, Nigeria is one of the highest ranking countries that produce petroleum in the world. One of the highest petroleum producing countries, oil producing countries in the world, but yet still, Nigeria imports petroleum products. And then export security. Yes. They export security to other countries in the world, other countries, especially in Africa and ECOMOG, on peacekeeping mission. When Nigeria is suffering from insecurity,